it goes.
And just remember that you guys are all awake right now.
Right.
So we're kind of used to hearing things. But when you're not used to hearing things, let's go away from cars. I just haven't ran over and stuffed up.
This is the demo crew.
I know. Put it up, or are you just going to slam it in the ground? I'm going to slam it in the ground. No, it's over here! Watch your eyes. There we go. No blinded groomsmen. Old alarmy. In here. Ah!
Whoa.
Huge effect. I don't think it would work.
Wait, we never got a heater. We should have plugged it in and turned one off.
They did upstairs.
I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep that. I got it.
That was a knob. It should have been you.
Last speaker.
I'm gonna make a ring out of it.
Kevin? Oh, there was a 9-volt in it. 9-volt in it. Hey, you want this there? A couple 9-volts. He's been the wrong way. He's going up high. Last game alive, man. Yeah. Stop on Damon. Damon, give me one last kick.
There's not that big piece there.
Wake me up. Oh, so tired.
I'm keeping it off. Speaker.
It's like everyone turns the wall.
I want to use it.
Like, that was in the room,
Plug it in, see if it works.
You like that?
I didn't know this was actually old alarmy, not just a
Did you hear it?
You might be keeping it under there.
Like, this is you.
You know what the funny thing was? There's a whole method would be off for like 20 minutes of view. So he just go for hours. He'd sit there and sleep in his room. I think he'd lock his door and I'd hear more hours.
No, the best part is he'd go into the bathroom to get the shower. And then it would go off. For 20 minutes.
I hit snooze.
Or
You know, in the bathroom.
yeah. What time would you go?
Elbow drop on top.
Somehow there was a lot of fur in there as well. I don't know.
And then she was just like, no, and that's why she's like, it's all right.
Oh, it's like bigger. So many.
Wait,
Bugikawa called 10-10-10. How did that happen?
Jason,
Told you about this.
ask Dad if he could fix it.
Dad, I broke this. Right there. Faster. Because I'm